I got involved in this business about 8 years ago because Michigan had a torrential downpour of rain that flooded all types of areas in Michigan. And I had 3 friends whose vehicles were actually submerged in water. And they came back to me a couple weeks later because they knew I knew a lot about cars and car values. And they said, Scott, I feel like I'm not getting a fair value from this insurance company. And so I just did some quick research on the internet, and I was able to come back to them and say, you're right. There's a greater value that you should be getting for this vehicle. So I said, let's get on the phone with your insurance company. And I got on the phone with the insurance company, and I showed them why I thought there was a greater value, and I was able to get a greater value for all 3 of those people. And I thought, this feels like a service. This feels like something that everyone should have access to. And is there a way I can do this? So I put my mind to it, and I started thinking, how do I get access to individuals who have totaled their vehicles? And I started thinking of law firms that work with people that are in accidents and collision shops where cars get taken to after they've been totaled. So the cases that I work on are total loss cases. If your car has been damaged but it's going to be repaired, you'll work with a collision shop to have that repaired. But if the car is a total loss, then I'll work with you to negotiate a more fair settlement with your insurance company for that total loss. One of the things that most insureds don't know is that the appraisal clause is built into your insurance policy. It's your right to negotiate a fair settlement for your totaled vehicle. And all insurance companies, with the exception of auto owners, has that in their policy. So I will negotiate on your behalf a fair settlement with your insurance company because it's built into your policy. And my payment is a pretty simple process. I'm going to get 33% of any increase I get you over the original offer your insurance company made you. So you can feel safe understanding that if I don't get you an increase above that original offer, there'll be no money out of your pocket.